Welcome to the October 2025 edition. KDAB brings you fresh insights, new releases, and practical resources to help you stay ahead in Qt, C++, and Rust development. Coming up, we have 3 blogs that could be of interest to you, some Qt release news, a couple of KDAB tool updates, quick review of Oxidize 2025, we list the latest KDAB video releases to be found on our YouTube channel, and then round off with 3 upcoming KDAB training courses, 3 upcoming Rust courses, and a link to the events. Remember that all the links can be found in our newsletter as well as in the description. Let's get into it. Working on multiple Git branches without switching. Discover a Git workflow that might just change how you manage branches. Nicolas Guichard walks us through using rebase-merges and update refs, 2 powerful flags that let you work across multiple branches without constantly switching between them. The result? Cleaner commits, streamlined code reviews, and compatibility with any review system. If you've ever felt bogged down by messy merges or context switching, this approach could be a game changer. CI/CD simplified. In the next blog, Jan Marker compares 3 heavyweights in the CI/CD arena: Buildbot, Jenkins, and GitHub Actions. Each tool has its strengths and trade-offs, from flexibility to ease of setup. Jan also highlights helper tools like CMake presets that can streamline your configuration and make your pipelines more efficient. Whether you're building nightly releases or deploying to production, this comparison will help you choose the right fit. Understanding type-based alias analysis in C and C++. And finally, Shivam Kunwar takes us deep into the world of compiler optimizations with a look at type-based alias analysis in C and C++. It covers more than just catching errors. Type systems influence how compilers optimize your code. Shivam explains how aliasing impacts performance, why undefined behavior matters, and how the restrict keyword can unlock faster execution. If you're writing performance-critical code, this is a must-read. What's new in Qt 6.10? Qt 6.10 has officially landed, and it's packed with updates for developers and device creators alike. One standout addition is the new Flexbox layout for Qt Quick, giving you more intuitive control over UI design. Animation support also gets a boost with expanded capabilities for both SVG and Lottie formats. If you're working with C++ and QML, you'll appreciate the new types like tree model and synchronizer, which make it easier to integrate data across layers. And for those focused on accessibility, there's now automatic high contrast mode across platforms. A thoughtful touch. Whether you're building with Qt Quick or Qt Widgets, the new APIs are designed to enhance productivity and streamline your workflow. KDAB tool updates. Let's take a look at what's new from KDAB. First up, GammaRay 3.3. If you're working with Qt applications, GammaRay is your runtime magnifying glass, helping you inspect object behavior, tune performance, and explore your UI in depth. This release drops support for Qt 5, so you'll now need at least Qt 6.5. It also adds LLVM Mini GW support for Windows, resolves some UI display issues, updates LZ4 to version 1.10.0, and ensures compatibility with Qt 6.10 builds. Next, KDDockWidgets 2.3. This framework is all about creating advanced docking systems in Qt apps, and the latest version now defaults to Qt 6. It includes fixes for Qt 6.10, and here's something neat, you can now use QML as a module or plugin without needing any C++ code. Plus, there are new APIs and other enhancements to make your docking setup even more flexible. Highlights from Oxidize 2025. Rust continues to gain traction, especially among developers who value safety, reliability, and seamless integration with languages like C++. But the big question remains, is Rust ready for prime time in professional, large-scale projects? At Oxidize 2025, the answer was a resounding yes. The conference featured real-world case studies from automotive systems to robotics, showing how Rust is already being used in safety-critical environments with certified toolchains. Talks and workshops revealed a maturing ecosystem that's not just stable, but productive. Developers are seeing tangible improvements in code correctness and workflow efficiency. If you're still on the fence about Rust, Oxidize 2025 made a strong case. The time to adopt might be now. KDAB video releases. Onto some standout video content from the KDAB YouTube channel. First up, 500 weeks of C++ Weekly. Jason Turner sits down with our Jesper Pedersen for a reflective interview on reaching 500 consecutive episodes, a milestone that's as impressive as it is rare. He shares how episodes like C++ 17 for the Commodore 64 reshaped his career and dives into the evolving balance between teaching best practices and exploring the bleeding edge of modern C++. Next, switchless Git branching. Nicolas Guichard returns to demonstrate Git's rebase-merges feature, showing how you can juggle multiple branches without constantly switching contexts. If you're looking to streamline your Git workflow, this one's worth a watch. And if you want to go deeper, there's a companion blog post, mentioned earlier, that expands on the technique. Then there's the final module of Introduction to Qt Widgets, Module 10, covering drag and drop from scratch, both in classic widgets and using the model view framework. It wraps up with a fresh take on event filters, rounding out the full 10-part series. And finally, a new episode of The Curious Developer. Jesper Pedersen and Jan Marker explore what's new in the Qt Creator AI Assistant, from smarter context awareness and QML linting to custom model configs and a brand new review mode. This update packs a lot of punch for Qt developers looking to boost productivity. KDAB Training. Whether you're looking to deepen your knowledge or get started with new skills, KDAB has got a range of courses to choose from. Here's an overview of upcoming training courses to help you plan ahead. November 18th to the 20th. Programmation Qt QML Avancé. A 3-day course given online. Also worth noting that this course will be in French. The course strengthens developers' Qt quick skills covering C++ and QML API design, application architecture, OpenGL-based QML elements, and performance profiling. Small class sizes and hands-on exercise ensure an effective practical learning experience. November 25th to the 28th. Advanced Modern C++, a 4-day course on-site in Berlin, Germany. This course is aimed at experienced C++ developers who are looking to master modern features from C++ 11 to C++ 23, including move semantics, smart pointers, lambdas, and template metaprogramming. December from the 2nd till the 4th. Debugging and Profiling C++ Applications on Linux, a 3-day course, also on-site in Berlin, Germany. This course introduces tools for finding bugs and diagnosing performance issues in C++ applications on Linux, covering everything from general debugging and CPU profiling to Linux-specific high-level analyzers. More details in the full training schedule at kdab.com/training. Upcoming online Rust courses. Interested in Rust? Well, now's the time to sign up for the remaining online Rust training courses in 2025. Brought to you in collaboration with our partner Ferris Systems, a company that has been an integral member of the Rust community since before Rust 1.0. We have Introduction to Rust, a 5 half-day course running from December 1st until the 5th. Embedded Rust, a 3 half-day course running from December 10th until the 12th. And an Introduction plus Embedded Rust combo, an 8 half-day course running from December 1st until the 12th. All courses are in English and, as mentioned, take place online. All the latest Rail event news can be found on kdab.com/events. Remember that you can get all the links of items mentioned here in the description at kdab.com/newsletter or from the newsletter itself if you're signed up to it. Thank you so much for listening to the KDAB newsletter. Don't hesitate to give feedback or questions, and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.